Section 2.2 Self-Introduction. Let's consider the following example. Bonjour, je m'appelle Eric. Je suis taïwanais. Je parle le chinois, anglais et français. J'habite à Taipei. J'ai 20 ans. Let's break down the example into details. Bonjour, je m'appelle Eric. Hello, my name is Eric. When telling others about your name, you can also use the following sentence pattern. Je suis, I am. Mon nom est, my name is. Je suis taïwanais. I'm Taiwanese. In French, the adjectives of nationality have feminine and masculine forms. Change the adjective to the appropriate form when speaking. That is, if you are a female speaker, you should use the feminine form of the adjective. Also, when writing, the adjectives of nationality should not be capitalized. Same as in Spanish. Some commonly used adjectives of nationality are listed as follows. Please repeat after me. Américain, américaine. Japonais, japonaise. Suisse, suisse. Anglais, anglaise. Chinois, chinoise. Italien, italienne. Espagnol, espagnol. Turc, turc. Grec, grec. Allemand, allemande. Français, française. Indonésienne, indonésienne. Vietnamienne, vietnamienne. Philippine, philippine. Alternative sentence patterns for talking about nationality. Je viens de. I'm from. When using this sentence pattern, you have to plug in the name of the country at the end of the sentence. For example, je viens des États-Unis. I'm from the United States. Je viens d'Indonésie. I'm from Indonesia. Je viens du Mexique. I'm from Mexico. Je viens de France. I'm from France. Je parle chinois, anglais et français. I speak Chinese, English, and French. In French, the verb parler means to speak. This verb is considered to be an ER verb since the infinitive form of this kind of verb has ER endings. The present tense conjugation of this kind of verb is seen as regular. This will be taught in future topics. If you want to tell people you can speak more than 2 languages, add a comma between the languages and place the word a before the final item. J'habite à Taipei. I live in Taipei. In French, the verb habiter means to live. J'ai 20 ans. I'm 20 years old. The French people considered a person's age as a possession. So they use the verb avoir, to have, instead of être, to be, to express one's age. The two French verbs être and avoir are irregular verbs. That is, their present tense conjugation has a unique pattern, which most verbs do not follow. Now let's learn French numbers 1 to 20. Please repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's compare with Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After learning how to count from 1 to 20 in French and Spanish, you'll notice that the vocabulary and spelling are very similar. That's because they belong to the same language family, Romance languages. Next, we'll do some in-class exercises to help you strengthen your knowledge about this lecture. See you in the next video.